I started First Vegetarian Restaurant in 1971. I produced reggae music, also African music. Met Bob Marley, produced Bob Marley, played around some Kunte and the Wailers. Started the WorldBeat Cultural Center in San Diego, California. And I'm crazy about heirloom seeds. I'm Makeda Cheatom, and this is my seed story. Music is medicine, and music is the weapon. Music, art, and dance. We have to have this in our communities. The WorldBeat Cultural Center is a center for everyone. You know, it's a world beat. And it's healing the world through music, art, dance, and culture. Ever since I was young, I was working for the good of the planet, the good of animals, you know. I stopped eating meat a long time ago, you know, and turned vegan. I've been gardening all my life. My mother was a gardener. I had to get up every morning and work with her in the garden. I had the first vegetarian restaurant in San Diego, and we got all our vegetables from farmers. So now I'm able to grow my own food for my cafe here and make the prices affordable. Well, everybody laughed at me having a vegetarian restaurant, wanted to have one, but everybody was eating at my house. And I, started eating and cooking, because I went to culinary school and food service management school. And people were all eating at my house. And there were vegetarians, all the meditators, we had a place. There was no place to eat if you're a meditator. And so someone said, you should open a restaurant. And my friends, my roommates, they go, no, don't even get the idea, because opening a restaurant is really hard. And we opened this restaurant in 1971. There was a line around the corner. We always had a line around the corner. We didn't get a chance to breathe.
Vibes are flow like the river Nile, but you can't grow when you're in denial. Face yourself, face reality. Only way to set your whole self free.
I brought reggae music to San Diego, met Bob Marley, produced Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and the Wailers. Bob was like the Martin Luther King of reggae music. And I followed Bob Marley around, but his music wasn't being played on the radio. So I went back to school for telecommunications. I landed on 91X, which is a real popular station, and the rest is history. So I heard you got apricots and stuff, yeah?
Yeah, we
So the
do.
Gershon part, I was gonna, this is for Baker Creek, the heirlooms.
We're in the largest community garden in San Diego County, in the Tijuana River Valley Community Garden. Home of 209 30 by 30 lots and 10 quarter-acre lots. And we're here in the WorldBeat Center's quarter-acre.
Man, the corn came up fast, man.
No, and it's
She's
small,
an amazing
actually.
person.
It's not very big, it's a little...
I've actually known about her for a very long time throughout the music scene and around San Diego. And I knew that she was into agriculture and seed saving as well. So I'm glad we aligned together, because I'm definitely into all those things as well. So that's why we make a perfect team.
We are working to create a bridge for the community to connect with not only nature, but the local food system and the work that goes into growing food. Because you can't do any of this without a solid group of individuals that are committed to this work.
I'm gonna eat that apricot. Look at that.
These are a little bigger than the other tree.
Bigger, huh? It's so important that, when you get to be in your 80s, you're still getting around. You don't have a cane or whatever, and that's because your diet is number one. That eating a good vegetarian diet with heirloom seeds being planted is the best. And that's why I really believe in heirloom seeds. That's why I give my time to Baker Creek. Hey.
We have the blue turmeric and then a mango turmeric, which is a white root and it's really sweet.
Baker Creek is like, what's happening? Missouri, heirloom seeds. I need that break, you know. So you guys are very lucky. You have so much, you know, space.
Makeda, you have not stopped smiling since you started this tour, you know that?
I can't stop. Since I've been here, it's healed me. Incredible. Foods that I've never tasted. I'm from California too. I feel that that's the right message, to get people to eat good organic foods and show them how to grow it. They can grow it even in a bucket.
Yeah, there's a lot of fruit right now. There's a lot of blackberries.
Oh man, I could taste those blackberries, huh?
Yeah.
This is sea lettuce. It's got little crystals in it, and we put this in the salads. I think feeding people's souls are very important through music and food and, you know, and raising the level of consciousness of the individuals. But you couldn't do it without the people that are around you. So it's not just me. If I didn't have great people working with me and believed in me, the WorldBeat Center would not be here.